What minimum number of 100-watt light bulbs must be connected in parallel to a single 180-volt household circuit to trip a 40-amp circuit breaker? And this was my favorite problem because probably it was the easiest. But just go back to the last chapter where you get the power is equal to the current times the voltage. And so the power that we're looking for is 180 times 40. And so if they're in a series, what we're saying is in a parallel rather. So anytime there's a bunch of stuff in a parallel, and I have a power source right here, then the voltage going to each one of these is the exact equivalent. And so we have to get 40 amps right here going to all of these. And since they'll be divided up evenly, so how many bulbs would that take? So 40 times 180 is P is equal to 7,200. And since we have 100-watt light bulbs, we would need 7,200 divided by 100. We would need 72 bulbs. Now the reason it says in parallel rather than in series is because in a series the voltage changes after each resistance that it goes through. And so if it went through the first light, if you had a 180 volts at times 40 amps, that wouldn't be 100 watts, and then it would drop down over here to some other watt voltage and some other current, or the current would be the same but the voltage would be different. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my blog. The link is down in the About section of this video. And on the blog, you'll find cool stuff like other videos for the same chapter. And you'll also find little download links where you can download calculators to basically just punch in your numbers and solve these exact problems. So you won't even have to watch the video if you don't want to. The last thing I want to say is if you leave comments on YouTube, of course I will get around to responding, but I'm much faster if you leave them at the bottom of my blog, right down there. Enjoy your day.